Anyway, so the first question is, are you single? लाइफ में बहुत हार्ट ब्रेक्स हुआ है, बहुत। व्लॉगिंग कैसे स्टार्ट किया? माई ओनली क्रश राइट नाउ इज हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू लाइफ विद पीएस। कैसे है? आई होप एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग ग्रेट एंड आई नो ये ब्लॉग बहुत लेट आया, बहुत ही, और आप लोग बेसब्री से ये ब्लॉग का इंतजार कर रहे थे, वो भी मुझे पता है। आई हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो मैं आज सब रिप्लाई करने वाली हूँ, वन बाय वन। तो प्लीज ये ब्लॉग को लास्ट तक देखना मत भूलिएगा एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब। एक्चुअली मेरे पास खाली एक फोन है अभी, तो मैंने एक डायरी में लिखा है द क्वेश्चंस, बट मैं आप लोगों का स्क्रीन में भी स्क्रीनशॉट डाल दूंगी। लेकिन उससे पहले लेट्स हाइड्रेट बिकॉज दिस इज गोना टेक अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम आई गेस। अभी भी मुझे पसीना पसीना हो रहा है because the weather is really hot. So please don't forget to hydrate, guys. Let me just hydrate first. Anyway, so the first question is, are you single? The most important question जो सबको जानना है, right? So, what do you guys think? I don't like to disappoint people. So yes, I am single and happy. So let's move on to the next question. And that is, are you ready for a relationship? This is a really good question, first of all. So, अगर अगर भगवान ने चाहा, अगर मेरा मन मिल गया वो इंसान से, अगर मैं I'm getting the vibe, अगर वो मेरे लिए मिस्टर परफेक्ट हो गया, मिस्टर परफेक्ट तो नहीं क्योंकि आई फील nobody is perfect. So for instance, अगर वो उसका और मेरा मन like we connect very easily. Why not? लाइफ में पीस ऐड कर रहा है instead of giving me traumas. So obviously I'm ready. Obviously I'm ready for a relationship. It is so damn hot that I have to tie my hair. Anyways, so the next question was, what do you like most about being a woman? So अगर कोई एक चीज लेना हो तो I think I love the way we carry strength so silently. I also love the way we carry everything so deeply, inside us. So yeah. Next question. This question is really important because this generation is filled with all these things. What do you think about situationships? First of all, I don't understand the concept. So basically, I'm not a fan of this situationship, the term situationship. I don't understand the concept. मुझे लगता है कि either you should be like happy in a relationship or either you should be single and happy also. तो ये बीच का जो होता है ना, like टैग भी नहीं देना है, like लेकिन साथ में भी रहना है, ये बीच का तो कोई चीज भी बीच में होता है, तो I don't think so that's worth it. I don't think so that has any meaning to it. So I think situationship is I don't know if like सबका अपना अपना choices होता है life में, which I don't think so I should disrespect anybody's choices, but according to me situationship, nah, red flag. Either you love me or either you don't. No in betweens. So the next question, which is really important, that is red flags in men. तो मेरे लिए ना red flags तो mostly एक important चीज है, the one who does not communicate. I am a person who loves to communicate. मेरे लिए relationship में communication बहुत important है. If you are my partner, you have to communicate with me. You cannot just ghost me or you cannot just act cold. You need to tell me what क्या हुआ है. You need to tell me that यहाँ problem है, यहाँ पर problem है. Please talk it out and sort things out. And another red flag is the guys with many followers on Instagram will be all girls and women. That's a big red flag for me. Big red flag. जो I don't think so सबका हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरे लिए ये बड़ा red flag है. जो बोलते हैं ना, no, she's just a sister, वो मेरी बहन है, वो मेरी दीदी है, वो मेरी ये है, मेरी वो है. The term, you're getting me, sister, बहन, दीदी, and then they're flirting, बोलते हैं कुछ और they are flirting out there. So yeah, that's a really big red flag for me. I hate boys like that. So too many sisters in life? Nah. So the next question, which is important, that is, what do you think about love? Life में बहुत heartbreaks हुआ है, बहुत. So after like going through a lot of heartbreaks and breakups, I still believe in love. I feel love is the most purest and beautiful feeling in the whole world. And actually मैं सच ही बताऊं तो it's not love that hurts, it's people, you know. So I don't think so we should blame love. We should blame that people जिसने हम लोग के साथ बुरा किया है, जिसने हम लोगों को धोखा दिया है. So yeah, love, according to me, love is the most purest and beautiful thing in the world. So I still do believe in love. Moving on to the next question, what's your biggest insecurity? So my biggest insecurity is not being enough, you know. I mean, I know that everybody is not perfect, but I'm being kinder to myself and I'm still learning. I think ये सबका insecurities है, like the fear of not being enough. So, yeah. So the next question is, what's something you have googled recently? So as you can see, it's somewhere out here. मैंने जो recently google किया है वो है Pisces horoscope today. I believe in horoscope a lot. I always check कि आज मेरा दिन कैसा होने वाला है. Next question, if your life was a movie, what would it be called and who would play you? A really interesting and exciting question जो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं है. How am I gonna answer this? Let me think.
One eternity later.
Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. ये हो सकता है. I don't know. मेरा दिमाग में यही आया अभी. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. I'm a big SRK fan, so yeah. And the next question, उसमें और एक question था, who would play you? The actress जिससे मेरा vibe मिलता है, I think that's gonna be Alia Bhatt. So yeah, we are kind of similar. I feel not by the looks obviously, but you know, उसकी vibe मुझसे match करती है. And I really like her. She's one of my favorite actresses. She has a really good acting skills. Alia Bhatt would play it beautifully. So the next question, what's something unique about you? जो दिमाग में आ रहा है, I'm just gonna spill it out. So I think I'm not afraid of starting something from the zero, you know, from the scratch. So मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. Like obviously, I mean, starting from the scratch is a really like process, like लंबा process हो सकता है. For instance, vlogging. मेरा दिमाग में अचानक से आया. I was like going, मैंने ये vlogging कैसे start किया? So basically मैं दार्जिलिंग जा रही थी एग्जाम देने. So अचानक से मैंने I started recording myself literally, like without audio. I think you guys can like you guys know my first vlog कैसा था. So it was just videos, and I used to write the captions in the below. So it just came out of nowhere. तो मुझे बात करना बहुत शर्म लग रहा था फर्स्ट में, but I did it. So yeah, that's me starting from the zero, and just look at me now. Moving on to the next question. Why are you so hot? I'm I'm a big fan of yours. Thank you so much first of all. ये मेरा दोस्त है. Thank you, Ardish. And yeah, I'm just being myself, you know. So yeah, that's it. So the next question is how to move on from your worst breakup. So according to me, um, I feel we don't move on, you know, from a worst breakup. We just get used to it. हम लोग का habit हो जाता है उन लोगों के बिना. So our life just continues without them. So I think we don't exactly move on. I don't believe the term moving on. So anyways, but whatever I would suggest to you is trust the process. Don't rush. Cry. If you want to cry, rolo behan. If you want to talk to a friend, please talk to a friend. If you want to do anything that makes you feel little lighter, so do it. कर लो. जो भी करना है, do it. Either cry, either talk to a friend, either go on. Do anything that makes you feel good. You know. सब दोस्तों को एक ही चीज बताती हूँ. That feel it. जितना तुम ये प्रोसेस को फील करोगे, उतना ही it will be beneficial for you. Who is your crush? Oh my god, I'm dying to answer this. My only crush right now is Conrad Fisher from The Summer I Turned Pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm in love with him. But wait, my actual crush, my real life crush is Sajan Raj Vaidya. I think everybody knows that I am in love with him. He is my Mayalu. He is the love of my life, and he's coming in November. I can't wait to meet him. I can't wait. Will you give yes if I propose you? Of course, baby girl. It's a yes from me, okay? You are sealed for life. Best friend. Best friend. I've got a few, but everybody plays a different role in my life and in my heart. Next question, moving on to the next question is best sister story. So my this question is obviously asked by my cousin sister of our lives. Whenever we are together, we just enjoy, we just have fun, we just gossip, we just, you know, we just live in the moment, we forget about everything. ये क्वेश्चन जिसने पूछा वो तो और हम लोग की फैमिली की the most dramatic, the most entertaining cousin है. So whenever you are in it, that's the best sister time, sister story, sister time together, I guess. If the question was like this. This is the most interesting one. Reels gone silent is Sila Pandey on a secret mission waiting for a new reel. So we have a page named Sila Pandey and we used to make content out there, like funny content like that. So but right now we have stopped making such content because थोड़ा ups and downs हो गया life में. But who knows? We might get back with a bang soon or someday. Question is monthly income. Can't spell the numbers here because YouTube rules. Why do you think India is still a developing nation and not a developed nation? So जैसे कि मैंने answer दिया था that I think India is not a developed country because we lack in many things. For instance, poverty, unemployment, lack of education, corruption. I think until and unless ये resolve नहीं होता, I don't think so. India can be called as a developed country. So yeah, because of that only we are lacking behind. चीज को ध्यान में रख के अगर हम लोग आगे बढ़े तो obviously I think India को हम लोग future में बोल सकते that we are India is a developed country. But right now in the present situation, I completely disagree. I completely don't agree that India is a developed country. Today, I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. And if you guys think that I should work on something more in future, मैं अगर और Q&As करूँ, तो then I think that will be very beneficial if आप लोग का feedback genuinely आएगा तो. So yeah, that's it for today and I really hope that मैंने आप लोगों का questions को अच्छी तरह से answer दिया होगा. जो मुझे लगा questions का answer ये होना चाहिए. I gave it all. I tried my level best. देखिए इतना गर्मी पसीना छूट रहा है फिर भी I did it. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, last में भी मैं वही कहना चाहूंगी कि don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Take care of yourselves. Bye. Love you all.